Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see blocked numbers on Android. So go for your phone app, then tap on here in this three dot option, then go for settings. Now go for blocked numbers. And you can see I have one blocked number here, and you can see all of your blocked number here, and you can unblock all numbers from here also. So just tap on cross and unblock. So yeah, that's it. This is how you can see blocked numbers on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.